Hello everyone, welcome back to Yesmining channel. Today I'm going to unbox and test L11 20GH for you. I know a lot of people are asking whether this machine is still worth running. So today I'm going to show you the real setup, the real performance, to see how it behaves when it's running.
So let's get started with the unboxing and take a closer look about the miner design. As usual, the machine is in well packaging and include a power cord. You will find cable C20 to C13. Also, the physical size of L11 is larger than L9. Let's take a closer look at the details of the miner. With the higher hash rate, the L11 uses larger fans and offers stronger cooling than the L9. Let's power it on and see how it actually performs when it's running. Now we are setting up the miner. The testing was down at around 23 degrees and the noise level is about 73 decibels at around 1 meter. Let's take a look at its hash rate performance. The machine has been running for about 30 minutes. The average hash rate is over 20 GH, and we can see each hash board equipped with 88 chips. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and join our Telegram group to get more updates and information.